Hi, my name is Div Harish of Lodestar Sensors. I'm really excited to introduce our new Bite Force sensor. This is to measure the strength of how hard somebody can bite. The nice thing about this sensor is it's digital, so it connects with our USB load cell interface, and then it connects directly into our PC's USB port, and we can show you how hard you're biting on. So we are zeroing out the sensor first, and now we're going to start recording. So Melissa, can you put on the cover so that the saliva doesn't go into the sensor? Okay, and now can you turn towards the door, please? Yeah. And then hold it in front of you, and then if you can bite on the white plastic things. Yeah, and then just bite gently first and let it go. Okay, and then now, are you comfortable biting on it? Mm-hmm. It's not too hard to bite on it?
Not at all.
Okay, so now again put it back in the mouth and then bite as hard as you can. With the hardest you can bite. Okay, you can let go at about 28 pounds of force with the front teeth biting. So put the sensor to the back of your left side of your tooth and be comfortable. Is the plastic hurting you a little bit or no? Okay. Alright, so now just bite gently and make sure the sensor is properly situated and bite on the white portion. Okay? Okay. And then bite a couple of times, and now if you're comfortable, bite as hard as you can. Excellent.